Go.
What's up, sneaker freaks? We are back with a brand new CB Sneaks. As you can tell, it's a beautiful day out. We got the plains, we got the court, we got the sun. It's not winter here anymore. And as you know, when we're outside, we're doing crazy unboxings. And so, seriously, okay. So here we got our box, and here we got our knife. So let's get into it. And already you see the Kaws logo. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this box out. And Alright, so we are in the backyard now because a whole bunch of kids ambushed us at the basketball court because we were right behind the school. That sucked. Okay, enough of that. See, we have the Jordan Kaws 4. The box is really cool. Air Jordan logo, size 11. Not my size, but that's not a big deal because I don't rock with Jordan. And then they have all the paws all over the box there, as you can see, and the Kaws symbol with air symbol on the box. So we slide the box off. So as you see, we get this card from Jordan and Kaws. Pretty cool. It has paws on this side, and on this side it just gives you a note. You can pause the video and read that if you want there. So, and then you also get this nice dust bag. It has the Jordan Kaws sign on there. Hopefully you can see that. And the paws on this side with a drawstring. So that's nice. Really like when Jordan and like Adidas and brands like that throw in extra stuff like that. They usually do with collabs. The paper already even has the XX Air branding on it, so it's all, the detailing is all the way down to the paper. But once we open it up, we see the shoe, and man, these are crazy. I'm just gonna give you a moment to appreciate this shoe. So first thing you notice is a full suede gray upper. My first impressions are crazy suede, super nice, super soft, and then it has almost like embroidered in, stitched into the suede, the pop logos of Kaws. Then you have a suede tongue as well, suede everything on the shoe. Very cool. The midsole is even suede. That really doesn't happen a lot. You don't see that a lot. Right here. See this sole, glow green. We'll be doing a glow test with that after to show you what it's like with the paws on the bottom and the Jordan Jumpman logo on the bottom as well. There would usually be mesh on the Jordan 4. We have kind of a very soft plush hair. I've only ever seen these on this kind of material on the Nike SB Dunks When Pigs Fly. That's the only time I've really seen it's kind of like pony hair. I think it's on those like limited 4s. Can't remember what they're called, but I think it's on there too. Super nice, super soft. You can like see it move with the slide of your finger, hopefully. I don't know. The back heel tab has the XX Kaws logo, or XX Air, sorry, logo on there. Really cool. And it comes with gray laces. So yeah, just all in all, very clean shoe. The inside of the tongue is a leather liner, so that's super nice. And then it has the Air Jordan printing on there. And it comes with a very cool hang tag that on one side is the Jumpman logo in black on gray suede, and on the other side it is the XX Air logo on a very much softer suede than the other side. So this shoe, exact same, very nice, very crazy. Shout out to Livestock. That's where I got these. Entered the raffle. One of 24 pairs I got out of, honestly, I saw 7,000 people enter, so that's crazy. Crazy blessed. I don't know why I said blessed. Oh well. The inside logos on the insole says Kaws, and the Jordan logo, maybe you can see that there, I don't know. Maybe. But yeah. So I think Jordan really hit it off with this collab. They did a really good job of just performing to the best of their ability. The suede is really crazy. Retail on these is $450. You probably won't be paying that if you didn't pick them up for retail. So you'll probably be paying $1,500 to $2,000, which is unfortunate for people who want them, but it's how the game works. Yeah, we'll be doing a glow test with these in the video, and we'll show you how they turn out. But yeah, very cool shoe, very iconic. I think it's gonna last for a long time. The hype around these Kaws is pretty sweet. Pretty cool brand. I don't have anything Kaws, but like it's pretty cool stuff. So yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. I don't know. Baby.